souls, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to La Paz. I hope you are in the pink of your health and you are fit and fine. Today we are going to speak about a topic which is of interest to a lot of people. Today we are going to speak about crystals. Yes, you have heard it right. Today we are going to speak about beginners friendly crystal. I am going to talk to you about 5 crystals that any beginner can use, and it's like a beginner friendly kit which when I started my spiritual journey also incorporated in my life, and I am going to speak to you about that from my own experiences. So before we dive into this video, please take a moment, hit that subscribe button if you haven't still not, and please like and share the video. Also, if you are new to this channel, hi, my name is Kunjal. I make videos related to occult science. You could just browse my channel, follow me on Instagram for more updates. If anybody wants to get introduced to crystals or is inquisitive about crystals or want to know or dive deep into the crystals, according to me, here are the 5 set of crystals that anybody can start and are beginner friendly. So first and foremost, we start with clear quartz. This is a clear quartz, and as the name suggests, this is a crystal which is called as the master crystal. This is a crystal which brings us a lot of clarity. This is a crystal which is related to our crown chakra. When we lack focus, when we have a lot of confusion, when we have mixed thoughts, it also helps in storing and absorbing positive energy. This crystal is also beneficial for you in terms of increasing your memory and concentration power. So yes, this is a master crystal and you could use it you could use it when you need clarity in your life. The second crystal that I am going to talk to you about is everybody's favorite. Yes, you heard it right. It is amethyst. Isn't this such a beautiful purple color? I know a lot of us resonate to amethyst very dearly, and amethyst is one of my favorite crystal too. Amethyst is a crystal which is related to our third eye chakra, and amethyst is a crystal which helps you when you're dealing with anxiety, stress, when you need psychic protection, when you are irritated. So this is a crystal which protects you from psychic attacks, negative energies. This is the crystal that's going to soothe you down. So people who are suffering from anxiety, depression, people who need little calmness in life, amethyst is the crystal for you. Also, it increases your spiritual awareness. One more important quality of this crystal is that whenever you are fearing anything, this is also a crystal to calm you down, and it's a very widely used crystal. Lot of healers, psychics and people in day-to-day lives use it, wear it as bracelets, use it at their homes and office. So this was amethyst for you. Now let's move ahead to our next crystal, which is this beautiful citrine. Isn't it so sparkling and amazing? I totally love it. Citrine is a crystal which is used as a money magnet. It enhances the money flow in our life. It enhances abundance in our life. It will kind of clarify your thoughts and get you more business ideas, strategies. So this is a crystal that a lot of people use to keep it in office workspace or in their business workspace because it really enhances the flow of prosperity and money. It is also a crystal for imagination. It enhances your curiosity and creativity, which in turn will of course benefit your business. So this citrine crystal is also called as the crystal of success. So yes, this was a citrine for you. So if you are a new business startup person, or if you are wanting to enhance your money or your career or your job, citrine is the crystal that you can go for. Now we come to the rose quartz crystal. This is a beautiful guasa which I use every day as a facial tool, but this is a rose quartz guasa, and rose quartz is my favorite. Rose quartz is a crystal that soothes your heart chakra. It is related to your heart chakra. If you are it is a crystal for self-love as well. People who are dealing with self-worthiness issue, low self-esteem, people who are not able to love themselves enough, wearing this crystal will soothe them. Wearing this crystal or keeping rose quartz in your bedroom, home will harmonize relationship between your loved ones and family members. If there are singles who want to attract love in their life, rose quartz is supposed to be the crystal that you're supposed to wear or keep near you. It will just calm you down. It will heal the grief that you have in your heart. And rose quartz is also widely used because it's also a beginner friendly crystal. So yes, this was rose quartz crystal for you. Now we move ahead to the last crystal, which is in the beginner friendly list. And can you guess what is it? It's the black tourmaline. Yes, you have guessed it right, because any beginner friendly crystal is incomplete without a black tourmaline crystal. It is a crystal which absorbs negativity, which shoos away negativity. We keep this crystal generally at the door, at the entrance, near the office. We wear it because it helps us to deal with our own negative emotions and also dispels the negativity which comes from various sources. A lot of healers, psychic abilities, people who have psychic ability use this crystal widely because they are prone to attract a lot of negativity. So this is a great absorber of it. Also, the black tourmaline also absorbs your emotional pain, emotional trauma, emotional stress that you go through. Please comment in the comment section below which is your favorite crystal. Do you use any crystals, and how crystals have benefited you? If you have any doubts or if you have any questions, please comment down below. I will be more than happy to answer your queries. Thank you. And like I always say, be kind, be non-judgmental, love and care unconditionally. See you until my next video. Take care.